Judge orders Kody to pay Christine $4.7 million in back pay. We were sold a lie for years. Faith, family, multiplied love. Houses rose, kids grew up. And the camera made a promise that unity was richest wealth. But what if real wealth wasn't land at all, but the story? And whoever held the payee held the money behind the story. Tonight's query is short and cruel. Was there a loan? Out agreement, so power dense that fees were received while profits, if any at all, were under wraps. Now, stage the moment the edit can't disguise. Christine's departure. On television, it is weeping. Off television, it looks like an audit in the work. Titles, down payments, wire transfers, and the loan sentence judges care about. Who exactly paid whom? That is where your feed starts howling. Judge orders Kody to pay Christine $4.7 million in back pay. We don't yet have a public docket confirming that figure as of record, but here is how such a figure can be actual and not rumor or phantom. Imagine later, season income becoming one payee, subtract actual expenses and on-camera compensation. What is left, residual, is the war zone. If someone believed they were an equity partner, but the documents treated them as a contractor, there exists a profit, partner delta year in and year out. The silent multiplier then kicks in, prejudgment interest, time turns mid, 7, figure shortfalls into front page news. Now, toss in the sets, Flagstaff, Coyote Pass, the mansion, and ask the one question that matters, were those just backdrops or nodes on a balance sheet? If corporate funds ever found their way into property down payments, servicing, corporate attorneys reach for such phrases as unjust enrichment and constructive trust, if it holds. That is why exits matter. When one person departs, the books stop being theory. Paper, not heart, dictates conclusion. In one course, an adjudicator nets out payments already made, adds interest, perhaps marks transactions for restitution, and the sum falls near the amount everyone's posting. On another path, offsets eat the claim. Interest runs level, the amount decreases. In a third, contracts rule, fee for service, case closed. Agency is reshaped either way. Once discovery comes knocking, deals cut straight to talent. Edits roll out, titles chill from destroyed to order filed. Accounting granted, what the docket reveals. So here is your guidebook as trends holler. Look for links. Real rulings have docket. Time the words, rules fey judgment versus could fey might. Follow the fields. Who is the payee? What is the rate, set, or asset? If you'd rather have receipts than rage, click like so. YouTube shares this with fans who are loving document, not drama. And click the link to my full 60-minute in-depth breakdown, where we consolidate public records and rebuild the headline math step by step to see if it holds up to contact with the page.